to have a go at repairing this transfer box. So you can see from the last video, this intermediate shaft is actually moving up and down inside the transfer case, and oil's getting by. It's not too much play in there, but if you look on the pin itself, you can see where it's visibly worn, and you can feel it there with your finger. So we're going to go and have a go at machining this down so it fits tighter back into the casing again. If you feel here, you can feel where it's more worn down inside at the top of the transfer box, so it's not going to seal even with a new O-ring inside. So we're going to have a go at welding it up and building the shaft back up, making a nice tight fit on it again. You can see inside there. Okay, we just give it a quick clean up with the shot blaster there. Just try and get it down. You can still see the mark where it's worn, just there, just slightly. We're going to put it in the lathe, weld it up, and then just grind it down so we get a nice brand new surface on it, hopefully a bit enlarged. That's the plan, so it'll be fit nice and tighter into the transfer box housing. Just going to try and get it measured up now as best as possible so we can get the most accurate build up on it. So we got a nice bead of weld on the shaft there, all the way around. Now we're going to get it in the lathe and bring it back down. Have a bit of a measure here after the first turn down. So we just tried it in the transfer box there, and it feels still a little bit loose, so we're going to put a bit more weld on it, take her back up maybe 1/1000 of an inch, see if it feels a bit tighter inside the transfer box. Take 2 here of grinding it down. Not grinding it down, sorry. Building it back up. It's nearly there. It's just still a little bit loose. In the housing. Just hear it moving there. It's a bit hard to hear with the camera, but you can just hear it there, and you can see it there visually. So we're going to build it up and turn it down again, get it a bit tighter. Take 3, here we go. time we've changed the carbine bit to try and get us a better cut on the shaft, a bit of a tidier job. Getting very close now with it, so we're just going to try a file and a bit of sandpaper just to just clean it up and just hopefully get that last little sort of tight spot that we're looking for. We've done it nice and tight. Kind of got marked up it. We're going to tap it in like this. It is very tight at the moment, but it's not making a score work when we put it on, so it's not that too much enlarged. So it should sit very nice and tight in there when we give it a bit of a tapping with a hammer. Put a little bit of oil around it. Use the dead blow there just to try to tap it in. That is in there nice and tight. There's no playing that now. Yeah. Pop it back out, put the O-ring on, build it back up. Hopefully she should be good.